What is the relationship, guys? Extends. What's the relationship, guys? Extends. Okay, boss. Control plus shift plus T. Control plus shift plus T. What is the repository we are looking for? JPA repository. Open. JPA repository. Super, guys. Right. Total how many methods it is having? I think F4 you press F4, guys. You will get all the methods that are there in that. 3, 6, 9, 12, and again what method? Okay, 12 plus 3. 15 methods are there. Yeah, 15 methods are there. Okay, boss. So today we are taking what? Paging, sorting, ascending order, descending order. Come on, guys.
Recording in
Is
progress.
all about displaying use amount of records page by page. Pagination is all about displaying huge amount of records page by page. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Yes. We can sort the records either in ascending order or in descending order. Either in ascending order, descending order. Okay. In ascending order, guys. Okay, in ascending order. What is that? First, what is that? Special characters. First priority to special characters. Next, special characters means this one, guys. Star, question mark, underscore, hyphen, this kind of special characters. Percentage is fine. Next priority to numbers. Next priority to uppercase alphabets. Next priority to lowercase alphabets. Okay, uppercase alphabets A to Z. Then lowercase alphabets A to Z. Here what guys? 0, 9. When I say descending order, just reverse. Okay. Okay. The methods are okay guys. Paging and sorting repository now boss. F3. F3. Inheriting from code repository. Observe this one. Just okay. Just two methods are there. Are you noticing it, guys? Okay. These two are the methods. Taking sort object, taking pageable object. Okay. Rajesh Magar, no repository bean means it is not linked with any repository, by it is not linked with any database basically. Okay, that's the meaning of it. Public interface, paging and what? Sorting repository extends code repository, T comma D. So this is for sorting purpose. For sorting, guys. Okay, so for only for pagination, only for paging. Okay, guys. Chandan one descending order will happen reverse, not dirty fellow. When I give ascending order, should I give descending order? Descending order anyhow will happen in dirty. What is that? Reverse order, na? Chandan Kumar, you're learning Spring Boot and microservice, man. Show maturity. Okay. Only for paging and paging and what? Paging and sorting also we can do. Using second method we can do only paging we can do or what? Paging and sorting activities also we can do, guys. Right, guys. Now listen. Okay, let's take first one. Let us take first one, guys. Okay, guys. Performs the required ascending or descending order of sorting. Okay, based on a given singular multiple properties. Based on given singular multiple properties. Are you understanding my point there? Okay. We need to specify all these details, all these inputs, in the given sort object. In the given sort object. Okay, guys. Now listen. Okay, if you look at this sort, guys. If you look at this sort, okay, protected sort is there. We have a two param constructor. Did you notice that? Direction list string of properties. Okay, direction means ascending or descending. This is direction. Direction is a enum. Enum having ascending and descending. Okay, did you notice that, boss? Come on. Okay, right. So let us add all this stuff, guys. Let us test all these things practically. Copy this, paste it, browse it to what is this? Paging and code repo. Paging and yeah, we can use all the things of code repository plus these extra two methods. Paging and sorting repository. Paging and sorting repo. Let me close the previous one. Let me close the previous one. That's it. Yeah, remaining all are same, guys. But we have to make our repository interface extending from paging and sorting repository. Yes, guys. iCorona vaccine repo.java. Let's make this one extending from what? Paging and sorting repository. Control plus shift plus O. Done, guys. Paging and sorting repository. Cool. Corona vaccine.java. This is regular one. Let it be, boss. Next, I think we need to have some records, boss. We need to have some records to insert. 1 minute. I will run this. Parallelly, I will run this. SQL developer. SQL developer. Let's come to this repo method. No, runner one. Here, let's comment everything. Okay, we have a save all method. Somewhere we have developed save all method long back. Register in batch, bulk insertion, right? Okay. Okay, I think we are doing batch insertion here. Come on. Some records of batch insertion is happening, boss. Okay. Still there is a red color. Yeah, I'm in the first application, no doubt in that. I'm just trying to have some records before doing sorting. Before doing sorting, I'm just trying to do this. Oh, try is not closed. Let me close here itself. Done. Okay. Control F11, boss. Control F11. I'm just looking to insert few records, guys. Nothing else. Yesterday we have some zigzag thing kind of thing, right? As to sit, literally we don't have data because after seeing delete operation, literally we don't have data. Okay. So 3 records are ready. Smutnik 1, Pfizer 1, Moderna 1. IDs anyhow coming dynamically. 520, 450, 648, 415. Okay. Control plus Shift plus, sorry, Control F11. Again, I'm inserting 3 more records, guys. 6 records are sufficient. We can observe properly. We can happily observe properly. Okay. Close all, guys. Come back. Paging and sorting repository. Yes. Same stuff. Paging and this one, long and all this stuff. T and T. T means entity class name. Long means ID type. That's fine. Okay. And then what? Corona vaccine here. Cool. That's the same. Go to service class now. Go to service class now. Okay, guys. Go to service class now. Tables boss. Corona. Where is this? Corona vaccine boss. That's fine. Okay. Something is there here, right? Fine. Okay. Let me take a method. Public. I just want to iterable corona. Public iterable corona vaccine. Okay. Next what? Fetch details. Fetch details by. Fetch details by. Come on, guys. Fetch details. Fetch details. Boolean S. Boolean ascending order or descending order. Boolean. True means ascending order. False means descending order. Okay. String dot 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 properties. I may give, or I'm designing method. I may give 1 property for sorting. I may give 2 properties for sorting. That means column names, indirectly column names. Based on which column values you want to do the sorting. Based on which column values you want to see the sorting. Are you listening my statement, boss? So varargs I'm using. Varargs I'm using, right? Array also you can take, but I'm preferring varargs. Right. But when you take vararg, it should be the last parameter of the method. Vararg should be the last parameter of the method. And only one method can have only one varargs. Why it should be last parameter, guys? And while calling method varargs means I may pass what? 1 argument, 2 argument, 3 argument, 10 argument, 100 arguments. So if it is not last one, if it is in the first, while calling method, how can we say here varargs are ended and the next argument is started? So that's why varargs parameter should be the last one. Are you getting my point? Should be the last parameter. And one method can have only one varargs. See, the way I'm including the features of Java, wherever possibility is there, wherever possibility is there, I'm trying to put everything, okay? Right. I'll introduce Java 10, Java 11 features also slowly, don't worry. Yes, I'm removing this one. Done, boss. Add unimplemented methods. Yes, guys. Iterable. Iterable corona vaccine is equal to. Come on. Iterable corona vaccine is equal to Okay, list entities. List entities. Tell me, Corona report dot find method, find all method taking sorting object, guys. Find all method taking sorting object. Tell me, new sort of, new sort of, new sort of list orders is there. Okay, 1 minute. Let me try in one more angle. Sort dot by. Sort by. Listen, check it out. We have a sort by. Static method is there. Instead of creating object, we can enjoy what? Sort by. We have a two para method. One is Boolean direction and string properties. Boolean direction, string properties. Not Boolean, direction. Now listen, sort to by I am taking. Sort to by I am taking. If you are confusing yourself, 1 minute. Here I will pass sort object. Super. Come here. Sort is equal to sort by. Sort by. See, I'm going to use ternary operator very intelligently, guys. If ASC is, if this Boolean property ASC is there, then I'm going to say use direction dot ascending colon array ternary operator direction dot descending. If it is true, ascending. If it is false, descending. Come on, guys. I think you enjoyed that one. That we are ready with the first parameter. Okay. Then I am passing varargs as it is. I am passing varargs as it is. If you pass one property on one property data, it will sort. If you pass two properties on two properties data, it will sort. And same sort object I passed here. But the way I use it, ternary operator is very interesting. I think you liked it, right? Okay, guys. Is that clear, guys? Come on. And list vaccines. List vaccines. Generally, nowadays, core Java pattern is interview pattern is changed, guys. They stopped asking definition, syntaxes kind of thing. Differences also almost they stopped asking. They started asking, where did you use? How did you use this feature in your project? That's why I'm trying to include various things in our programming, boss. So though one two failures are coming, one two disturbances are coming, I'm wantedly dragging the discussion to make you people aware of how to use various concepts of core Java in project development. Otherwise, nowadays project orientation core Java learning has become mandatory and clearing interview is becoming very difficult. It sounds like you know it, but you cannot express. Nowadays, that is very, very bad. So that's why, and moreover, I am a faculty of doing dynamic experiments, boss. Yes. So that's why wantedly I'm trying to use a lot of Java 8 to Java 9, Java 10, 11, 12 features. Up to 11, I'm planning to use, guys. Okay. So be mentally ready. So whenever chance is there, wherever chance is there, I will try to use core Java concepts like this. Otherwise, you cannot clear your core Java rounds. Okay. Now listen. Iterable, corona vaccine, list entities, tell me what is my method, guys. Service dot fetch details, boolean. Okay, true. I want to get in ascending order. What are the properties? Okay, guys. Okay. What are the properties? I want to go by what are the property first. Let me take a single property price. Let me take a single property. Sir, how to pass array values? I have to pass as a string boss. Single property price. Yeah, whereas means one or more boss. Try here. Data access exception here. DAE DAE dot print stack price. DAE dot print stack price. I think we have a different prices here. Okay, definitely different prices are there. Let's have a look. Control F11. Control F11. Oh, I'm not printing the records. Huh? Sorry. Okay. List entities dot for each. List entities dot for each. System dot out colon println. Okay. Method reference I'm trying to take. Yes, boss. Still old code is running. F11 means still old code is running, boss. Still insert query only running. So many records came. For our bad luck, so many records came. I think in run as settings problem has come. It is still pointing to old one. Okay, let's run our run configuration. Let's configure our class, guys. Yeah, code repository only there. Okay, let's configure our class. Okay, let's change this class name also. Fine. P and S repository. P and S. P and S repo application. Let me change class name. Rename file name to this. Done, guys. Let's keep this one empty. As I said, now client application will remain nothing. Even this also won't be there. Original code, whatever default code comes, that will be there. Done. Okay, runner was right click, Spring Boot application. Yeah, we got a huge number of records, guys. See, all 4 ones fights first, then 527s, then 648, lastly 678. Because I said ascending order, right? I said ascending order. Okay, right. If they are matching, okay, then I want to sort out by name of the vaccine, guys. I want to sort out by name of the vaccine. Z. Okay. Go to in the beginning, keep the star symbol. Okay, guys. Here you keep the question mark symbol. Here you keep the 10. Okay, here you keep a plus. Okay, guys. Say refresh. Done. Commit successful, guys. Somewhere we write Z. Somewhere we write Z. If price is matching, I want to go by name. If price is matching, I want to go by name. Okay, right. Let's see, guys. First 415, but within 415, first star 1, then 1, then 110. I hope you are understanding. First special characters, then what? Moderator 1, and here 110 is there. Na? That's why both are having sync. First star special, then okay numbers, then uppercase, then lowercase. Right, you can check, boss. You can check. But see, first star, when first is matching, it is then going to second one. Like this, you can mention a number of properties over here. So let's check once false. Let's check once false, guys. Control F11. Now it is doing the things in descending order. Right. See, same thing we have come at the last. Because since I said descending order, na, things have come at the last. 4-1 price things are coming at the last. Easy na, boss? Right. Okay. So here we got a chance to see. Yeah, internally it uses order by only. Definitely it has to use order by query only. Check it out. Yeah, order by only there. See, order by name is descending. Order by it is using. No doubt in that. Okay. No, this in in SQL other than that, no option now, boss. Okay. Fine. So example code. In service IMPL class. Yeah, if you want, you can sort. But first of all, date column should be there now, boss. You can sort by date. Yeah, in service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. Right. Done. Varox param. Okay. Varox param. Internally array only. Internally array type param. That's a point one. Point number two. Okay. One method can have only one. One method can have only when vararg param, only when vararg param, the two as last param. The two as last param. Okay, guys, that's fine. Okay, guys. Ashish, yes, I think if your core Java fundamentally is good, ternary operator is very easy. If Boolean value ASC is true, it will take direction.asc as the first argument of sort by. If it is false, it will take second value direction.desc as the sort by first argument. So I am passing ternary operator to decide what to be used as the first argument of the sort by. Got it now? Fine. Right. Immediate if Babu, nothing is there. Okay. In runner class, guys. This is the code in runner class. Code in runner class. Okay. Code in runner class. Okay, boss. Represents where arg values. Represents where arg values. Okay. What's the second method we are having in this repository, my dear? Yeah, this is quite different. Please focus. Focus. It takes time to understand. It looks a bit complex. but you will enjoy. You will enjoy. Okay. Okay, boss. You will enjoy like anything, boss. Yes, boss. Listen, this method takes this method takes page number, page size. Page number, page size. Page number is zero based, guys. First page means you have to give zero. I want first page record means you have to say zero based. Okay. Zero based. Page size as inputs. Page size inputs in the form of, look at what is the parameter type, guys? Pageable object. In the form of pageable object and returns requested page records 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 as page t or slice t object, guys. Are both are in relationship, don't worry. Page t or slice t object having details, having returns returns output as, this is the better one, output as page or slice object having requested page records. Okay, requested page records. Listen carefully. Next, pages count, current page number. Okay, total records and many other details, guys, and many other details. So now listen carefully, boss. I'll put in a diagrammatic representation also. This is my database software having table, guys. This is my database software DB table with records. One or other DB table, guys. Don't worry. DB table with records. Yes, boss. We are having DB table with records. Okay, boss. Now listen. Here is my in-memory proxy class of in-memory proxy class object of in-memory proxy class object of, okay, paging and sorting repository. Paging and sorting repository. Everyone got the clarity there or not? Okay. All right. Yes. Now tell me here. Here is my pageable object. I'm giving what, guys? Pageable object as input. Pageable object as input. Pageable object as input. Containing what? Page number and page size. Page number and page size. What is the method I'm highlighting here? Find all pageable method. Pageable. Okay, pageable P. This is the method I'm highlighting here. Where in the in-memory proxy class. This is the method I'm highlighting. Okay, this will talk to database software, my dear. Gets the records, guys. Okay, requested page records, and those records will come in the form of what? Page object. Page or slice object. Page or slice. Arrays. Don't worry. Slice is the super interface of page. Nothing but. Okay. Page or slice object. Now listen. This page or slice object. Page of slice object contains multiple details, multiple methods to invoke. There is a method called get content that gives me list of T. Get content method is there. Now listen, we have a lot of other methods, boss. Okay, just to control plus shift plus T. Here you observe page. Here you observe page. Which page? So many pages are there. Yes, Spring Boot related page. Okay, page is extending from slice. Okay, empty nata, get total pages. Total pages. Total how many pages are there? How many pages are there? Total pages. We have a lot of method. Total elements. Total amount of elements, total number of records, and some more methods it has inherited from slice also, guys. Slice. Current page number, get size, get number of elements, current page. Okay, get content, has content is there or not there, get sort, whether it is a first page or last page, whether it is a first page or last page. Come on. Current, whatever page that comes, is whether it is the first page or last page. Are you getting my point? Is it first page or last page? Lot of details are there to get it. Not only it will give content of the current page, it also allows us to know n number of things. Why these many things are? Array, at the bottom of the Google, at the bottom of Google search, we will get this is one page of 10 pages. This is second page of 30 pages. This is fourth page of 10 pages. If you want to print such messages, the other relevant information also required or not required? Other relevant information is required or not required? Yes, for that purpose, the supporting details are there. Okay, now listen. Okay, if total records count is 20 and page size is 5. Page size is 5. Page size is 5. Then it divides 20 records into 4 pages. 5 4s 20 now, 4 pages. Are you getting my point, guys? 4 pages means 5 records. 5 each page. 4 pages. Now listen. 4 pages, guys. Now listen. 5 records in each page. That's what I'm trying to say. 5 records in each page. If we ask for third page content, third page records, then it gives 11 to 15 records. Then it gives 11 to 15 records. Are you getting my point? If you ask for third page means here 0 onwards. 0 onwards means what? Okay, third page means indirectly fourth page, right? indirectly fourth base. Are zero based na boss? Zero based, right? Okay, then it is 16 to 20, not 11 to 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, exactly 5 records. Please count properly. If you ask for third page, indirectly fourth page, right? Records, zero based index, then it gives 16 to 20 records. If you ask for second page, indirectly third page, right? Indirectly third page, are zero based index, then it gives, tell me, 11 to, not 11, 10 to 15 records. 11 to 15, right? You are right. 11 to 15 records. I hope you got the basic idea, guys. But how to create these pageable objects are? The one I didn't understand is it is not expecting as individual parameter. It is expecting them as what? Pageable object. Did you notice that? Okay. How to create these pageable objects are? To create this pageable object, pageable is equal to page request dot. There is a class called page request, guys. It is having one static method, page request dot off. Page request dot off. Okay, first you have to pass. Okay, guys. First you have to pass page number. I want pass second. Second means indirectly third. Come on, indirectly third. What is the page size? 5. Page size is 5. What this method will do? Array, when this pageable object is given to find all method, this find all method takes total number of records. Let us assume 20. 20 by 5, how much? 4. Total how many pages has it? Has got 4 pages. But we are requesting what page information? Second page. Second page means indirectly third page. Zero based index na boss. Okay. Even though there are 20 records, it internally uses what? Row num concept and dense ranking concept, whatever it is. And it will return only 11 to 15 records, not the remaining records. That means it returns list collection. It returns page object. It returns what? Page object. Are you getting my point? Someone is asking me, sir, if total records count is 18 and page size is 5, then what happens? Okay, in last page you will get only 3 records. Quite. Last page you will get only 3 records. 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, fine. Sorry, 16, 17, 18. Only 3 records will come. Okay, remaining pages will have 5 records. But last page will have only 3 records. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. Okay. Slice T, page T. You want more operations, more methods to invoke while printing page information, go for page object. No, you want less methods to invoke, go for slice. Okay, we can catch a return value as a slice object also. But page is recommended, so we can call more methods on the page object to display more information about the current page content. But most important method is get content. This gives me our list collection. Okay. We'll see one example, then you will get idea. And listen carefully. We can mix up. We can mix up both sorting and paging, boss. We have a 1-2 methods giving pageable object, even by having what? Sorting related information. Lot of overloaded page request dot off methods are there. We will see one by one. Okay, what is my requirement? I want to mix up paging and sorting, boss. Paging and sorting. Go to service class. Go to service class. Public Iterable you can take or list you can take, your choice. Iterable corona vaccine. Okay. Fetch details by page number. Fetch details by page number. Okay. Into page number. Array, when it comes to parameter, take a simple type only. Take a simple type. When it comes to bean property, prefer wrapper types. Okay. Into page number. Into page size. Into page size. Into page number. Into page size. Now listen. Boolean ascending. I'm trying to put everything together. Boolean ascending, string dot dot properties. On which properties you want to do sorting? String dot dot properties. String dot dot props. Okay. Now we are going for sorting and we are, yeah, in pageable object, we can pass even sort related information also. Okay, let me write that input here. Pageable object can have note. Pageable object can have both paging and sorting info. Paging and sorting info. Array, it's a standalone application. I cannot show page by page, but that's why I'm trying to show certain page information. What is that certain page information? One more improvisation I will do. There we will try to see page by page records also. This is just getting certain requested page information. That's it. Okay, guys. Now here, what should I do? Okay, create a pageable object. Pageable object having inputs. Create a pageable object having inputs. Tell me, pageable is equal to pageable is equal to page request of look at this. There is a method taking 4 params. Did you observe this? Page number, page size, that's cool. Next one, direction. In our style, we'll go for direction. ASC question mark. Tell me, direction dot ASC colon direction dot DESC. Direction dot DESC. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Okay, I'll try to put in a proper order, then you will understand nicely, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. If you are using front end, it depends upon what data you are sending, boss. What data you are sending. If you want to do paging and sorting in what? Sorting in Spring itself, server side itself, then don't use front end require. In front end, you need not to do. If your backend is not sending sorted data and pagination data, then you have to do in front end. But in backend itself, taking care of that one, in front end, just receive them and display them. That's it. Okay, guys. Pageable. Oh, only input is ready. Sorry. Right now, only input is ready. The real story not started, right? Okay, boss. Now tell me here, what is this? Iterable corona vaccine. Iterable corona vaccine. Okay, list entities. These are list entities is equal to is equal to, tell me, corona report dot, tell me here, find all pageable is there na boss? Find all pageable is there. Right. Here is my list entities. Here is my list entities. Okay, guys. Now listen. Requested page number of having given page size records will come. Total how many records I got here? 12 records I got here. We will see multiple things. Don't worry about it. Go to runner class, my dear. Go to runner class, my dear. Try here. Service dot fetch details by page number. Okay, I'm asking for second page information, indirectly third page. Page size is 4. Page size is 4. Total 12 record, page size is 4. Tell me, guys, 12 by 4. How many? 3 records. 3 records means I am passing second. Second means indirectly I am asking third page information, right? Third page information. Okay, I want to get in descending order. On which property? Price property. On which property I want to pass? Price property. Okay, guys. Tell me, for each system dot out colon println. That's it, guys. Okay, now tell me, anyone can tell me what record numbers you will get? Total 12 records are there. Which 3 records you will get? 3 records are, 4 records are, 10 records are. Which records you will get? Devash Pandey, 1, 2, 3 records will come. How come? Total 12 records are there. I asked for page size is 4. Page size is 4. 12 by 4, 3. Total 3 pages are there. Total 3 pages are there. And I asked second means indirectly third page. Total 3 pages, I asked for third page. Tell me which pages will come. Acha, since we have gone for descending order, okay, I'll go for ascending order only. Fine. I'll go for ascending. Forget about ascending. Ascending or descending, you don't worry. Ascending or descending, you don't worry. Which 3 records will come? Last 3 records, 10, 11, 12 will come. Come on. 10, 11, 12 will come. Catch. Data access exception. DA. See, your life is becoming simplified or not? Big works, it is taking care, boss. You are least bothered about doing it. Okay, and here one small problem, guys. Here one small problem. What you get is not list collection. What you get is page object. What you get is page object. From page object, you have to think about gathering this one. Corona patient, guys. Come on, come on. Page corona vaccine. Corona vaccine. Corona vaccine page object. Okay, page object. Right. Page object. From page object, I am looking for content. Page dot get content. Page dot get content will give me list collection. Okay, boss. Now listen. That's the actual code. Okay, control F11. Control F11. How come I am getting 4 records? I supposed to get only page size 4, na, right? Page size 4. Okay, it's my mistake. Okay, 12 by 4, 3. Each page 4 records. Each page 4 record. Total pages are 3. Total pages are 3. Each page 4 record. And according to the sorting, we are getting last this one. Now tell me here. Okay, 648, 648, 678. Since I said ascending order, since first it is doing sorting and then giving the records. First it is 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 4 records are coming. But first it is doing sorting. After sorting, then it is giving the last 4 records. Did you observe that, guys? Okay. Next, I asked for first page. I asked for first page. I asked for first page, guys. Okay. First page information has come. 527. First means second. First means second, guys. Second. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Those records are coming here. Okay. Specific page. We have designed method like that, boss. We have designed method. We have designed method to get specific page information. I hope you are understanding my point. First it will sort, then it will do pagination. Okay. Right. 0 means first page. 0 means first page. I want to get first page. Yeah, if you are confusing, what you can do is you pass page number. In the method, you write -1. In the method, you write -1. I hope you got the clarity. If you are confusing here yourself, here you write normal page number, but inside the method, you write -1. Okay. Now listen, number of pages are 3. Number of pages are 3. Listen, I am asking 6th page information. I am asking 6th page information. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay, guys. Control F11. You will get empty list now. You will get empty list now. And it internally using what, guys? Internally it is using what? Ronum concept. Pseudo column Ronum is there now. You are aware of that. Pseudo column Ronum. It internally using pseudo column Ronum, invisible column containing row numbers. It is using that part, boss. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Example code. Code in service class. Code in service IMPL class. Code in service IMPL class, guys. Yeah, if requested page is not available, you will get a page object with the empty list collection. That means emptiness. Yeah, this is my service IMPL, guys. Here is the story. Okay, boss. Code in runner class. Code in runner class. Okay, here I will try to have this one. Next one. First it performs sorting, then gives the record, then performs, okay, pagination, then performs pagination. I hope you are understanding my point. Then first it performs sorting, then it performs pagination. Okay, guys. Yes. If requested, page number, requested page number, page is not available, then it returns, okay, page object having empty list collection, for get content method. You won't get any exception for get content method. Which method, guys? Get content method. Cool. Fine. Now listen, boss. Actually, in standalone application, displaying multiple records page by page is practically impossible. But still, I'm trying my level best. Okay. At least we cannot display hyperlinks. Click on first page, click on second hyperlink, click on third hyperlink. But at least I can display part by part. First page, one underline, second page, underline, third page, one underline effect. So that we can see in a single console, we can see what huge number of records page by page or not, part by part, portion by portion. So can I try that one now? Then you will understand the importance of other methods. Okay. Yeah, otherwise you can take a switch case support, asking end user to choose the page number. Okay. Now, if it is a standalone application, in web application, happily we can provide hyperlink, next, previous, all this, all the hangama we can do. In Spring MVC, I will give in Spring MVC, Yasmin Swagger per postman for what purpose? RESTful web service. Yasmin, can you keep your half knowledge aside? I don't know where is your brain. That is for a Spring REST, na? Why are you showing your half knowledge here? Okay, let's come here. Okay, here, what is this? Public, guys. Here is my what? Public. Now here, wide I am taking because in a single console I want to display. Okay, now tell me. Fetch details by pagination. Okay, guys. Fetch details by pagination. SK Safuddin, is it pagination example or searching example? Pagination example or searching example? It is not searching now, boss. It's a pagination, please. And that too pagination towards table records. Stick to the fundamentals. Fetch details by pagination into page size. Into page size. Only one thing I am passing into page size. I'm not doing any sorting also. This time I'm not interested in sorting also, boss. Okay, if you are interested, you can keep that one also. But already we have seen. I just want to enjoy only this one. Okay. Now listen. What I'm going to do is very, very interesting. First of all, I have to decide number of pages, boss. I have to get number of pages by passing page size, right? Okay. No, it will decide, but I want to pass. Okay, listen carefully. Now listen. Get total records. Get total records. Count. Long count is equal to corona repo dot count off. Next one. Int pages count is equal to now tell me how to decide number of pages, guys. How to decide number of pages? Count total records count by page size. Total records count by page size. Okay, here also let us take long only. Fine. Right. But here one small thing is there, guys. Listen. If there are 11 record, page size is 3. If there are 11 records, page size is 3. 11 by 3, how much you will get? How much you will get? 11 by 3, 3 point something you will get. But since I am not taking float, you will get 3 only. 3 into 3. Page size is 3. Pages count is 3. 3 into 3, 9 records only. 2 records are missing, right? 2 records are missing. So that means if it is not exactly divisible, I should increase pages count by 1 or not. I think you are using your brain. Count percentile, page size not equal to 0. If it is not exactly divisible, then I am saying pages count plus. Pages count plus. Yes, if you don't want to write this logic, go with ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. How? Count percentile, page size, question mark. Okay, if it is exactly divisible, continue with what? Pages count as it is. If it is not exactly divisible, okay, what is that? Pages count plus. Pages count plus. Okay, equal to 0. I think we can work with the ternary operator also here. Decide pages count. Decide the pages count. Decide the pages count. Okay, guys. Now listen. Now what should I do, guys? Number of pages are decided, right? Number of pages are decided. Okay, boss. Now later, what is this? I'm taking a small for loop here. I is equal to 0. Array, page number starts with this one. Na? I less than pages count plus I. I less than pages count plus I. Okay, guys. Now listen. Each page information I am trying to get, guys. Now I am trying to get each page information. Now listen carefully. Okay, pageable, because I have to pass input now, boss. Pageable is equal to page request dot of. What is the page size? No. What is the page number? I. First page, then page size. Come on. Okay, first page, then how many records? 3 records. Then second page, 3 records. Then third page, 3 records. Are you in the for loop? I am printing the same information. Got it, boss? Okay. Now tell me here. Page corona vaccine. Page is equal to, tell me, corona repo dot find all. Corona repo dot find all pageable. Corona repo dot find all pageable. Okay, now I want to display them. I want to display the records. How to display the records? Yes, guys. Okay, how to display the records? Page dot get content dot for each of system dot out colon println. Out colon println. Array, it will display the records, guys, page by page record. But at the bottom of the page, I want to get a message. At the bottom of the page, I would like to get a message. What is that? Okay, sys out. Anyhow, return type is void, na? Sys out. Now tell me. The sys out. Okay, we can get from page object also, guys. It's not like that. Page dot. Page dot. Listen, what is this? Returns current number. Returns the number of the current slice. It is always non-negative. It always non. Current slice means current page. Current slice means current page, guys. Are you with me, boss? Page dot get number plus one. Number plus one, current page. Page one off, because it starts with the zero now, boss. One off. What is this? Page one off. Page dot get total pages. Return total pages. Yes, guys. Get total pages. Are you understanding my point? Yes. Okay, boss. Right. First, here not, no. Here total pages plus one is not required. This is total pages. I am not printing pages count. I am printing total pages, which is a predefined method, right? Okay. See, page object is having so many methods to invoke or not. We can check whether record is there or not there, whether you are in the first page or last page. We can get current page number. N number of things we can get. Number of records in each page. Maybe last pages may not have complete number of records, right? So all the details we can happily print, boss. Okay. Some presentation I will try to do. End of the for loop, end of the method, end of the class. Right. Control plus shift plus, sorry, control F11. Oh, I didn't call. I'm excited to see the output. Wait, it's waste calling this now. Go to this place. I hope you understood the logic. It's a console application, guys, but I tried my level to show something out of it. Yes, I'm giving task to you people. Take a switch case. Take a switch case support. Enter page number 1. First page information only should come. Enter page number 2. Then second page information only should come. Real second page, not the third page. You internally do -1 or plus. I think internally you do +1. Okay, here just call the method. Service dot. Service dot. What is that? Fetch details by page nation. Page size is I am giving 3. Page size I am giving 3. Catch. Data access exception DAE dot print stack trace. Cool, guys. Control F11. Control F11. Okay. What is the page size I have given? 3. Okay. Now listen. Listen, guys. Listen, guys. First 3 records. 0 1 of 4. This get number is giving wrong, boss. Don't depend upon get number. Okay. We will depend upon our for loop number only. This is always like that only. I plus 1. That's better. When you have a local number, why to depend upon that? It is giving get number means some other information it is giving. Okay. Yeah. Now you observe 1 of 4, first 3 records. 2 of 4, Next 3 records, come on. Okay, 3 of 4 and 4 of 4. Right now, exactly 12 records, then sanction is not there. I have taken page size as 4. Achha, 4 also exactly. 5 I have taken. 5. Now tell me, total number of records are 12. Then we are having what? Page size is 5. So now tell me 3 pages, but third page will have only 2 records. Am I right, guys? Third page will have only 2 records. What do you say? First page 5 records. Second page 5 records. What's happening? First page, second page. Achha, how many records we got here, guys? 12 records. 1 of 3, that's right. 2 of 3, right. What's happening? What happened to my last records? Last records. I didn't get. We didn't start for loop from 0. No, yeah, we started for loop from 0. We started for loop from 0 equal to pages counter. Equal to pages count. Equal to pages count. Not that, not that, not that, not that. I think this is giving me hand. Plus pages count. First increment, then assign. First increment, then assign. Okay. Control F11. Everything is learning experience. First increment, then assign. Now came here. Check it out. First 5, second 5, lastly 2. Lastly 2. This is very basic. While learning C language, we studied this. While learning C language, we studied it, right? Okay. Pre-increment and post-increment. If I go for pages count plus, what happened? First assigns, then increments. So that means increment will not reflect, right? Increment will not reflect, boss. Increment will not reflect. Suppose if you say plus pages count, first increment, then assignment. Are you getting my point, guys? I think you understood. Post increment and pre increment problem. This is not problem with this. Problem is here. Right. Let it be, boss. Okay. Let me give the code. Copy this. Okay. Displaying user number of records. Records. Page by page or part by part. In Spring MVC, I will give more GUI based page, having next, previous. Come on. Displaying page numbers as hyperlinks. Okay. First hyperlink, last hyperlink. So many things. We'll play with the GUI like anything. So that time I'll talk various methods that are there in what? Page object. Displaying user number of record page by page or part by part in console environment. In console environment. Right, guys. Code in service IMPL class. Yeah, this is very important, boss. It's very important concept in what? A project. Report generation is quite regular. And while doing report generation, Paging and sorting is simplifying your life. Okay. See, someone is telling the importance of this concept. Done, guys. Okay, here is my runner class. Code in runner class. Yes, boss. Okay. Tomorrow when we meet, we will discuss additional methods that are there in JPA repository. That's number one. Number two, number two, we will start working with custom methods in repositories, guys. Are you understanding my point, guys? Custom methods, custom finder method, custom JPQL method, custom native SQL method, calling PL SQL procedures and functions, working with don't miss it. Don't miss it, guys. Thank you. Have a nice time. I'll share the code. Don't worry.